Hello students, in this video I am going to explain you about how to find out the shortest distance between any two skew lines. Now what are skew lines? Any two lines which are non-parallel and they are in the different planes, they are considered as the skew lines. Suppose this is line L1, this is line L2, and if they are like this, they are in different planes and they are non-parallel. So they are the skew lines. Now how to find out the shortest distance between these two lines? That I am going to explain you on the board. Suppose in the coordinate system, in the coordinate axis, I have two lines, line L1 and line L2, like this. And suppose I have a point S with position vector A1 over here on line L1 and a point T on line L2, okay, whose position vector is A2. Now we need to find out the shortest distance. Let us consider line PQ, which is perpendicular to both of the given lines. When a line is perpendicular to both of the given lines, it will give you the shortest distance between them, because the shortest distance is the perpendicular distance between any two lines. But how to find out its magnitude? That is the task. Suppose in vector form, line L1 is vector r is equal to a1 vector plus lambda v1 vector, and line L2 is vector r is equal to a2 vector plus mu b2 vector. Now it means line L1 is parallel to b1 vector and line L2 is parallel to some b2 vector. Okay, it means b1 cross b2, vector b1 cross vector b2, it is going to be perpendicular to both the lines, because b1 is parallel to line L1, b2 is parallel to line L2. So their cross product will be perpendicular to both of them. So we can say that this b1 cross b2 is parallel to vector b, because pq is given, or we have assumed is perpendicular to both the given lines L1 and L2. Alright. Or sometimes let us consider a unit vector along PQ denoted by n cap. N cap. So it can be represented by vector v1 cross vector v2 divided by its magnitude. This is the unit vector n cap. Okay. Now just because vector PQ is along or in the direction of the unit vector n cap, so I can suppose that vector PQ is equal to dn cap. Means I am assuming that the magnitude of PQ is some scalar d. I am writing C. Okay. So I have assumed that vector PQ is equal to d n cap. Okay. So this is vector PQ. Now, if I wish to find out the length of PQ, means the magnitude of PQ, that can easily be given by projection of vector ST on vector PQ. This is vector ST. This is ST. So its projection on PQ will give you the length of the projection of vector ST on vector PQ will give you the length of P. So will be equal to how much? You all remember the formula? I hope so. ST vector dot PQ vector divided by the magnitude of vector PQ. Because PQ cannot be negative, I have placed a modulus sign over there. Now, what is ST vector? That is A2 vector minus A1 vector dot with what is PQ vector? PQ vector is dn cap. And obviously the magnitude of PQ is D. So you can say that it is equal to A2 vector minus A1 vector dot n cap. And what is n cap? N cap is vector B1 cross vector B2 upon mod of vector B1 cross vector B2. So I can substitute over there. A2 vector minus A1 vector and B1 vector cross B2 vector divided by B1 vector cross B2 vector's magnitude. So this is the formula which you can easily use to find out the shortest distance between any two skew lines.